He was pushed to the edge of a cliff by a group of bad guys. They threatened him to hand over the child, or they'd throw them both off. He glanced at the sea behind him. There was a 50% chance of surviving if they jumped. He tightly held the woman's hand, making her trust him. Together, they jumped off the cliff in front of the bad guys. The fierce sea waves scattered them. He watched helplessly as the woman sank beneath the water. Worried about the child, he sent him to the shore first. Then, he dove back into the sea to find the woman. Fortunately, she hadn't gone far. She was rescued. On the cliff, the rich man and his men arrived at the beach. They searched the rocks but found no trace of them. The man's heart was racing. If they turned around, they'd find them. Luckily, the lackey only glanced once and walked away. After they left, the man's older brother arrived. He found a shoe hidden in a corner. At least the younger brother was safe. Knowing the rich man's influence, they knew the island would be searched thoroughly. The older brother came up with a plan to deceive the rich man. They removed the boy's shoes and threw them into the sea. The rich man found the shoes and thought the woman and child might have really